In DATACT, you can process images from a drone mapping mission to get two-dimensional orthorectified aerial images as well as three-dimensional point cloud. To do this, you click on the hamburger menu, click on the processing option, you can give this some name, and then you locate your images. You can either select images or the folder with all the images, drag and drop. To make sure you have selected the correct images, you can click on the preview icon, and then you can get a very rough estimate on the location and how the images will look like. Once you are happy and you have selected the correct images, you click on the upload icon, and the images will start uploading to the cloud. Once this process is done, the processing will start automatically, and you will get notified via email once the processing is finished. Here we get the message the data was successfully created and uploaded to DATACT. After processing is done, you can go back to DATACT to see the new data. Here you can see the two-dimensional orthorectified aerial image, and then you can also go into 3D to view the 3D point cloud.